Whole world is talking about cosmetic gynecology, and here at Colossa Aesthetics, we are the leading cosmetic gynae center at Delhi NCR. So what is this cosmetic gynecology all about? Hello all, I'm Dr. Deepti Asthana, Director of Colossa Aesthetics. Today we'll be discussing what all procedures come under cosmetic gynae. Now, cosmetic gynae encompasses a range of cosmetic procedures, surgical procedures designed to make the appearance and function of genitalia better. Now, these are done for personal or cosmetic reasons, although some are also done for therapeutic benefits. Now, the key surgical treatments which come under cosmetic gynae are first, labiaplasty. Now, this is one of the most commonly performed cosmetic gynae procedure, and this aims to modify or reduce the size of the labia minora or the majora. Now, techniques such as linear excision, wedge excision, and deepithelializations are used to improve the comfort, hygiene, and the appearance. Now, many women seek labiaplasty either for functional concerns such as discomfort during physical activities or purely for aesthetic preferences. Now, the other most common surgery done is vaginoplasty or vaginal rejuvenation. Now, this procedure tightens the vaginal canal and the entrance, often addressing concerns of a loose or widened vagina post-childbirth or aging. Now, various techniques including lateral vaginal mucosa excision or high posterior repair may be performed for vaginal tightening. Now, sometimes vaginoplasty is combined with perineoplasty for enhanced results. Now, the other surgery which is also commonly performed at Colossa Aesthetics is perineoplasty. Now, this focuses on reconstructing and tightening the vaginal opening and perineal muscles. Now, surgery is often done after childbirth or aging when the perineum becomes very lax. Now, the main goals are to improve sexual satisfaction and aesthetics of the perineal area. Now, the other procedure done is clitoral hood reduction, which involves removing excess tissue covering the clitoris, improving both the cosmetic appearance and potentially enhancing sexual sensation. Now, last but not the least is the hymenoplasty, where we surgically reconstruct the hymen to restore the appearance, often requested for the cultural or personal reasons. Now, sometimes request is also there for monsoplasty, where we lift and reshape the mons pubis, addressing unwanted prominence in that area. Now, these procedures are typically done on day-care basis with minimal visible scars. Now, the risks are also minimal, which include infection, altered sensation, dyspareunia, adhesions, and scarring, but all these risks are very rare. Now, women considering cosmetic gynecology surgery should be thoroughly counseled regarding indications, technique, risk, and realistic expectations. If you have any queries or if you want to undergo any of these cosmetic gynae procedures, please visit us at Colossa Aesthetics in Gurugram. Thank you.